Hi, Bestie. Welcome to my page. I have some Happy Meal. I have cloth and papers, July subscription box. I have planner aesthetic subscription and some other items. So if you're a planner girl, this just might be for you. So let me go ahead and open up the planner aesthetic first. Alright, so Planner Aesthetic has a monthly sticker subscription that you can add. I typically use these like on my monthly and also my weekly. And she does this every month and it's frugally priced, less than $10 per month. And I think it's a great additional for your monthly. She always includes a sampler as well. So here is the July monthly here. And here is a sampler here. And if you do place an order with her, you can save 10% off with my code Karen10. And then also make sure you add a freebie to your cart. A free sampler. You can choose whichever sampler that you want to your order with Planner Aesthetic. So before I get to the cloth and paper, I want to go ahead and get to my other items. So I did end up getting 2 patches, and my goal is to add the patches to one of my covers, one of my clear covers. So let me get this open. So I did get the Keep Going patch here, and then I got the In My Planner Era patch. Let me go ahead and open this up. But yeah, my goal is to add it to my I'm trying to decide. I'm probably going to add it to my A5 film cover because I do want to attempt to start using it. So we'll see. We'll see. I have to figure out what else I want to do because I did end up taking the stickers that I had on my A5 cover, my A5 film cover. I did remove the sticker that I originally had it when I originally had set it up because I wanted to make some changes to that. And so I do have this Keep Going notebook as well. I'm going to use this as a journal. And I cannot wait to get started using this spiral notebook or journal. And I think it's perfect with the size, like definitely to have it on my desk. But also it's compact if I want to place it in my Valencia bag because it's petite. Alright, so now let's go ahead and get into my cloth and paper subscription. Let me know in the comments, did you get the July subscription box from Cloth and Paper? And then also let me know if you are aware of Planner Aesthetic and that they also have a monthly subscription. Alright, so let me go ahead and open this up so we can get right into this cloth and paper box for today. I was trying to decide if I was going to get this box this month. Alright, so I do remember seeing the pencil box. It's a frosted pencil box. And I have to get this open because it does have plastic on it. If you got the box, let me know what's one thing that you was excited about for this month. And if you normally get cloth and paper subscription box, and if you did skip this month, let me know why you decided to skip this month. Alright, so this pencil box, I wasn't sure if it was like a hard plastic. I couldn't tell in the happy hour live, but it's definitely a sturdy plastic. Because I was thinking it was probably like that caddy that we got, I don't know, last year or the year before. Alright, so these are the Black Wing pencils. And of course these are limited edition because it does have the cloth and paper on them. And I think I will keep these just because it is a limited edition. I typically don't use pencils. I don't know. I might end up changing my mind, and might sell them. Not sure, because I'm not into the pencils or Black Wings. Alright, so these are the rings. And these are silver. So I'm trying to think, do I have any silver binder rings? Now I know I have black, gold, rose gold. I don't think I do have silver. But yeah, so that is for the personal wine binder that we received in this month's box. So I went ahead and opened that because I planned on placing the notebook together. Now let me go ahead and get all the other things out of the box for this month. Now here's the list of everything that's included in this month box. Now if there's something that I saw during the reveal, something that stood out for me, no, not really. It was not, nothing was like, wow, I definitely wanted that. I can't say that, but I shall see as I go through all the things that we got. Based on a list, we did receive 12 items for this month. So I'm going to attempt to say my top 3 items at the end if I can. Okay, so this is the September calendar card here. We get a calendar card every month, and I keep those in one of my CP Petite planners. Alright, so let me go ahead and open this up. And based on the packaging, it's a journaling card set. Okay, so this says you'll realize what doesn't serve you gets left behind. That is the first planner card. Okay, so the act or the instance of curating or selecting and organizing artistic works for presentation in an exhibition. The items selected or, guys, the lettering that's over it is just, I don't know, I'm trying to read it because the quotes does repeat itself, but going back and forth, I'm over it. And then we have this abstract journal card. And so these journal cards are all one-sided. The paper, its cardstock is really thin, so it's not a heavy cardstock for the planner cards. Alright, so those are the 3 planner cards. So let me move some of the things to the side so we can get into the rest of the subscription. Now is this a journal card? This one is thick. Built to be more than a box, the Attention Box is evolving into a more immersive quarterly experience beginning November 2026. Your monthly boxes will continue through October. The first quarterly box arrives in November with a more expansive format designed to support an entire season of planning, reflection, and ritual. Think deeper product intention, more room to use what you receive, and a box designed to feel like an event from moment it arrives. More details will be shared soon. Okay, so I guess we're gonna start getting more information about the upcoming change from monthly to the quarter. So are you planning on continuing to get the subscription when we start getting the quarterly? Let me know in the comments. I think I'll probably still continue to get it because cloth and paper is a local business where I live, and I definitely want to support, and I try to support small businesses. So I think I probably will get the first quarter. I just cannot wait to see what they curate for us. Alright, so let me move these out of the way so we can get into the next items in the July box. Alright, so let me go ahead and get this. So this will be the photo slide for the month of July. Alright, let me get this out of here. Now, I really never studied the photo sides, but this month I do want to look at it. So it looks like some pencils. So we got the 007 What Holds. And I do see the pencils at the bottom. I can't tell what's at the top. If you know what's on the photo slide, let me know in the comments. Alright, so this is a dashboard, and I typically order CP Petite. So this dashboard says keeping a personal toolkit. Collection is usually based on memory and association. Curation help us reflect on what we might value in ourselves. What one might notice about this passive action or collection versus curating is the appearance of both subconscious selection and conscious need. So it has that price tag there, and it's a simplistic design, and the back is blank. And I'll definitely be adding this to my CP Petite. Alright, so let's go ahead and open up the next item. And this is the punch sticker sheet. And now I'm getting into the personal wide items that came in the box. Okay, and I know a lot of people are excited about the sticker sheet. I might end up adding this sticker sheet and the CP Petite formal sticker sheet into the stash group because I'm not using those. Alright, so here are the personal wide inserts. And these are the open notes inserts here. So it said it has 90 pages included, and of course they give us an example of how we can use this particular insert, and I'm glad we have this example here because it does have a lot of space where I can, like, it has a drawing on here where you can create and design. Yeah, I'll probably end up using those for sure. Alright, here is the ruler. And it definitely has some weight to the ruler, and it does that it is stainless steel. And you know, for the past few years, we have been receiving several different items in the subscription box with some stainless steel items. Alright. So here is the ruler that we received. And just in case you're wondering, it is an 8-inch ruler. Alright, so this is the cover. Alright, so let me go ahead and get this open. Alright, so this really has some nice weight to the cover. I wonder would an engineer love this cover and a ruler. And also with the inserts that we receive. So let me go ahead and get this dashboard open. So this dashboard has, so you have your journal card here where you can remove and replace it with the other journal cards that we receive. And it does have on here the arrangement of scenery and stage property is a play, photo, or art piece. So yeah, I think I'm going to add one of these to this dashboard. I'm going to go ahead and leave this one there. But I think I want to add the journal card with the quote on it so I can see it through the opening of the cover. So that is everything that's in the July cloth and paper subscription box, intention box. So since we did receive an entire planner or notebook set for this month, I'm just going to go ahead and set it up. And then at the end, I'm going to let you know what my top items are and what stood out the most for me in the July intention box. So as I'm setting up this personal wine journal or notebook or however you want to use it, planner, I'm looking forward to using this. I really am. And I am absolutely excited that we did not receive an A5 stamp this month. I am absolutely thrilled about that. And I love the inserts that came with this. because I have space to jot down, to create and design, and I absolutely love that. With these inserts, and it could be designated towards, I'm thinking, with some of the things that I like to create and design, that I can use this for that. So this is my number one item right here that I'm setting up at the moment. This will be my number one item in the box. Never thought of ever purchasing personal wine, but this will give me an opportunity to test it out and use it. And maybe after using it, who knows? Maybe that will be something I want to consider for 2027. Not sure, but I do like this. This is my number one item. Not sure if anything else stood out for me as number two and number three, but this is definitely my number one item right here. And I'm looking forward to trying it out and using it. But yeah, so let me know your thoughts in the comments. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel, tap the thumbs up, engage with me in the comments, and if you can, hype me up, bestie. And I want to thank you so much for joining me. All the information for the items in today's unboxing and haul will be in the description. Alright, bestie, have a good day. Toodles!